Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Prasanna. You are watching my Insight channel. So, you guys know the quarantine 4.0 is already started, and the lockdown is getting extended till the end of May for only for some cities across India. But still, the quarantine is so hard as the peak summer has already started. It's very crucial to keep your body healthy and keep your body cool. Whenever the climate changes to summer, our body reacts in a surprising way. You will feel restless very easily and you will lose your energy at the end of the day. So in this video I'm gonna share you some of the essential means and ways to keep your body healthy and keep your body cool. So try to watch with the video till the end since I'm going to share some of the tips to keep your house cool and breeze. So without wasting the time, let's get into the video. Okay, the first and foremost one is to be hydrated. So we all know how not to get dehydrated, but still we won't make it. You should understand when the heat goes up, our body will produce excessive sweating which will reduce energy level and also electrolyte in your body. So to beat this dehydration, try to accomplish 2 to 3 liters of water per day. In a study, it reveals that enough intake of water will help you to burn more calories in your body, which will result in weight loss, and it will also give you better physical performance. To be noted, guys, if you drink enough of water, it will reduce the risk of having kidney stone. You can also take fruits like watermelon, lemon and kiwi in the summer, which are rich in minerals. So if you take watermelon, it's full of health benefits. That way, especially in summer, watermelon is incredibly hydrated. It produces 92% of water content, which makes naturally low in fat. Our physical appearance always reveals the food that we intake. When it comes to summer, our body requires essential amount of nutrition to fight back against the heat. So to have a healthy body, have a light diet food but variety of fruits and vegetables. It might sound old and you can hear this from everyone, but still we fail to maintain a shape to our body due to unnecessary food control. It is advised to take fruits and vegetables which has high content of vitamin C. Vitamin C always helps to improve immune system in your body, which is super needed now to fight back against the virus. In fruits you can have papaya, pineapple, watermelon, strawberry and lime. And if you want to go for a juice type, you can go for orange and grapefruit juice. For vegetables like carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, cauliflower and peanut too are high content of vitamin C. You can also have turmeric, ginger and garlic in your daily food to beat the coronavirus. It is very important to know what type of food you need to avoid during this quarantine summer. Let's see what type of food you can avoid this summer to beat the heat. This might sound crazy, but drinking tea and coffee is fine up to a certain point. But having too much consumption of tea and coffee will produce heat in your body, which cause dehydration and also make your face flushed. The average intake of tea or coffee can be up to 400 mg, which is 4 glasses. Avoid grilled meat, spicy foods, junk foods and salt. All this might be your favorite, but still it produces a lot more heat to your body and it will increase the fat very easily. I know this will disappoint you. Ice cream is one of the most favorite and desired by many people across the country. That too, especially in the summer, the amazing taste and the flavor makes it a summer favorite. I know ice cream will cool down your body, but when you see on the other hand, ice cream has a too high in fat and sugar content. So consumption of ice cream too much will increase obesity in your body. So try to have a limit of eating ice cream during this summer. It is very important to take care of your outer appearance. That too, especially in summer, we should take care of your health and also our skin daily, even when it's not. Some might tell we are indoors and we don't need sunscreen, but that's not true. The sun radiation even affects when we are indoors. So wear sunscreen at least once a day, but make sure at least your sunscreen has SPF of 26. None of the product will protect you 100%, but still you can have a minimum factor of 26%. Don't forget to take care of your health drink. Vitamin C, vitamin D, zinc are some of the important immune boosters for your skin. It is highly recommended to take carrot and beetroot juice. Since beetroot has folic acid, zinc, iron and vitamin C, which are known to purify the blood and glow your skin. Carrot contains vitamin A that fights aging, wrinkles, pigmentation and even skin tone. study says that our skin are linked with our moods. Okay, the research says your skin tends to appear clear and healthier when you are in a good mood. So try to work on reducing your stress. You can do some exercise, which is a very important thing to combat your stress. Also, you can go for a walk to change your mind, and also you can do yogas to calm your mind. Since we are in a quarantine, it doesn't mean that you can wear anything. Make sure you wear a right cloth in the summertime. Stick to cotton fabrics, since cotton absorbs heat from your body and allows to evaporate into the air. Avoid synthetic fabric. Always opt for light colors. Colors like yellow and other light shades can keep you cool because they reflect most of the sun rays back into the atmosphere. Try to avoid the dark fabric clothes. Frequent washing your hair strips your scalp of its natural oil, which in turn stimulates additional oil production and makes you feel the need to wash it even more. Try not to use dryer for your hair, which heat often. It will damage your hair easily when it's wet. Give the dryer a break and go for it natural if you can. Condition your hair while the sun is drying out your hair. Make sure you help restore some moisture and lift it by using a conditioner. Leafy plants too can keep the place cool. If you have potted plants in your home, move them closer to the windows. They will absorb most of the heat and create a cooling effect around them. Blackout curtains block sunlight and make you feel better in the dark shade. So try to use a blackout curtains. Everything you plug into the socket produces a heat. Unplug all the necessary appliances and electronics when not in use. Turning switch off is not enough, unplug it and switch off extra lights when not in use. That's it guys. Hope you guys like this tip that has been said in this video. If you end up liking this video, hit that like button. And yeah, that's all guys. I will meet you in the next video.